Hello everyone, welcome back. As I promised, I'm gonna show you how to do the test animation for Patchcat video that I instructed before. And now we have roughly 15-second video Patchcat here. And I'm gonna show the name of the cities for and make like fly from outside to the city and then fly back outside. Yeah, and firstly we just gonna choose graphic and test, and then I'm gonna put the name of the city in. And this first city is very famous Washington DC in the USA, and I put in the name in the text box. Here I can adjust the size of the text based on the layout that I want. Yeah, I have the city and the country also. And after that, I'll click on the text layer in the timeline. And you will see now we can adjust the position of the text by you see on the graphic you have the vector motion, and the position now we're gonna change up right in that. Yeah, I want it to be there. Okay, and you can see that under the test tab, test, and find the transform and click on the clock, you're gonna see that we're gonna have like some marker that gonna divide the timeline into milestones. Alright, and I just put, because I wanted to fly in and fly out after at the end of the video, so I'll drag the ruler to the first marker, and then I'll edit the position to make it stay outside of the screen. Yep, up there. So for the second, now I'm gonna do with the last marker also. Okay, for the last marker is the same. It's gonna fly out to the position. And yeah, it's gonna have the same X value but different Y value. Alright, and now I'm gonna work with the second one. I'm gonna copy and paste the first one into, because when I copy the test layer, it's gonna copy all the animation or position on the properties of that layer. So I'm not gonna do the transform editing again. Just I'm gonna edit the position of the test layer only after all. Okay, then I drag and drop them into the timeline in the beginning, and you notice that here we have the video. Actually it is 15 seconds and the test layer is shorter. Basically we have to extend the test layer in the timeline to make them match to the video layer, but in this situation I will show you what if we don't. And yep, yeah, and the second city I just name it and just move the test layer position to the other one and then rename the layer. And the second one I have Caracas, Venezuela. Now the third one is very famous Marina Bay in Singapore. Because the name Singapore is turned into the next line, so I'm gonna adjust the text box to make it on the same line. Alright, here we are. Just okay, this is yeah, you're gonna have to click the arrow one, the cursor one, the cursor icon to turn it into transforming. Yep, and then I just do with the other city, etc. Very simple. And actually, we're gonna have to stick to the rule of x and y axis here. You're gonna have to use the coordinate more because the test is gonna be like fly in and fly out, so they're gonna have movement, a lot of movements. So you have to arrange them into a straight line so they can be in discipline. And that's it. And I'm gonna apply the whole steps to the other test layers. And I'm nearly done. You can see that I'm applying the same x and y value for the test and drag and drop them, not drag and drop them anymore. And now you see that I'm gonna extend the test timing a little bit. Yeah, on this property you can copy and paste very easily because it's the settings and modifying you apply to that layer, so you can apply that into the other layer by copy and paste. Yeah, and for the last one I have Cairo, Egypt. All of them is my favorite cities in the world. Yeah, now you see? Because previously I haven't adjusted the timing of the text layer to match the video layer, so the text layer animation just gonna be played once and then they'll stay stable for the rest of the time. Actually, I'm not gonna make this video with mistakes. I'm gonna make a perfect video for a better view, but I want to show you that when you do not have a plane, or when you do it differently, it's gonna bring you different result, and maybe one of you will get into the same situation so you will understand how it happened and how we can prevent that to happen. And that's it. Thank you.